Hello everyone and welcome back. Now recently I've spent a lot of time looking for the perfect cafe racer project. Recently I came across this Honda CD125. The bike seemed perfect for me, a simple and straightforward build, or so I thought. What attracted me to this bike is its simplicity and the fact that it's a twin cylinder. This is very unusual for a 125cc engine. I bought the bike sight unseen. The owner assured me that apart from a bad paint job, as you can see in the photos, the bike is in very good condition with only light surface rust. As you can hear, I managed to get the engine running, but it doesn't run great. The bike does ride, but it seems to lack in power. I've been running it around the neighborhood for a bit and I'm not too pleased with it. So in this video what I want to do is tear down the bike, inspect the condition of the parts, the frame, the engine, and see what I have to work with. So sit back and enjoy the teardown.
after breaking a few bolts, having to take the rear wheel off in order to take the fender off, I managed to remove the fender, and to my surprise there is a lot of rot in here. You can see there, I can put my finger through the hole. There's not much holding the tail end of this bike together. Very disappointed. The previous owner said there's no rot, the bike is in pretty good condition, it's just surface rust. But as you can see, that's really not the case.
Now, by this point, I am very disappointed with the bike. The frame is in a lot worse condition than I thought it would be. It will need a lot of welding, a lot of cutting, a lot of manufacturing, and this all adds cost that I was not expecting. This is definitely not the straightforward build that I was hoping for. So, not the ideal bike, but hopefully we'll get through this. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. At this point in time, I really need the motivation to carry on with this build because I'm really unhappy with how it's looking so far.